Good morning, students. Welcome you all in EVS class. Myself, Bandana Kumari, and today I am going to teach you or discuss a new chapter from your EVS textbook, Chapter 7, and the name of this chapter is Air. What we will learn from this chapter? So, we will learn what is air, properties of air, uses of air, and air pollution. So, here is the chapter 7 Air. Air is all around us. Yes, students, we can't see air, but yes, it is everywhere. Wherever the empty space is there, it is filled with air only. We can feel the air when we run. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Look at this picture which is given in your textbook. Now tell me, what is making the hot air balloon fly? The hot air balloon floats in the sky because the air trapped inside the balloon. See, the air is trapped inside this balloon, and when it is heated up by a burner, it starts rising. As hot air is lighter than cold air, when this air gets heated, it becomes lighter. It becomes hot and get lighter and starts rising, and it makes the balloon rise. Now, properties of air. Air is having so many properties. Here we are going to discuss few properties. So the first is air is all around us. We can feel air only when it moves, but it is everywhere. Each and every place is filled with air. Moving air is called wind. Sailboat and kites use wind energy to move. Whenever you want to fly a kite, you need air for that. Hot air balloons fly with the help of wind. The wind helps to turn the blades of windmill. If you see this picture, here's a picture of windmill, and the blades of windmills are turned by the help of air only. It also helps the birds to fly. Next is air occupies space, means air fills the space. Here is one activity where a teacher is telling her students to take a paper bag and blow air inside it. After blowing the air, the paper bag took a shape. Why? That is because of air. Means air is inside that, and that air gave a shape to that paper bag. Means air fills space. Next, air has weight. Yes, as each and everything or matter is having some weight, just like that, air is also having weight. Here, if you see this picture, the student is doing one activity. For this, first, you have to attach two inflated balloons on the opposite end of a stick. Just see that both the ends are equal line. Now, pop one balloon. And when you will pop one balloon, then you will see that pop balloon will get rises, okay? And the inflated balloon, the side where inflated balloon is attached, that comes downwards. Why? Because this is heavier than this popped balloon. It means air has weight. Now, uses of air. Yes, air is very important for us. Air is needed for breathing. All living things need air to breathe. Air contains oxygen, means air is having so many gases, and that oxygen is very important for us, which is essential for life. Fish breathe the air which is dissolved inside the water, because fish and other water animals or creature, they live inside the water, and they take or they breathe through the oxygen which is dissolved in the water. Fish breathe the air dissolved in water using their gills, which is found both sides of their head, while plants breathe through tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. If we'll talk about plants, beta, in the leaves of the plants are having very tiny pores. That is called stomata. And with the help of that, they breathe. Next, air is needed for burning things. Yes, for burn anything, we need air. Air is needed to light fire and burn things. A lit candle needs oxygen to continue burning. However, if we limit or cut off the source of air, the candle gets extinguished. Means if you want to light anything, then you need air for that. If there is air, then only, or if there is oxygen, then only you will be able to light anything. Here is an experiment which you all can do at your home with the help of your elders only. Now, for this you need materials, tea candle, a glass jar and matches. First, light the candle. Now, see everyone, you have to light the candle. Now, cover the burning candle with a glass jar. The glass jar, okay, look at this one. This is glass jar. After some time, you will see that the candle goes out as there is no air left in the jar to keep it burning. But you have to perform this activity under the supervision of your elders only. Now, next, air moves things. Wind enables the movement of sailboats and gliders. It runs windmills, which are used to produce electricity. Earlier, I showed you the picture of windmill, and the blades of windmill is turned with the help of air. And when that wind blades turn round and round, then it produces energy that is called electricity. Here, plants make their food using air. Plants use carbon dioxide, which is a gas which is present in air, to prepare their food. Means for preparing food, means when the plant want to prepare food, for that it also need air. Air is used to fill tires. So here, compressed air is used to fill tires of bicycle. Dentists and miners also use compressed air. Divers breathe underwater using tanks filled with compressed air. Means forcefully we fill the air. Okay, that is compressed air. Now, here is air pollution. This is a subtopic, air pollution. First, we will learn what it is. When air contains harmful gases, dust particles, and fumes in the large amount, it is called air pollution. Means when air is not proper or perfect for breathing or for our use, that is called air pollution. How it occurs? When harmful gases, so much dust particle, germs, and smoke, fumes from the factories, from the vehicles are get together, and when it mixes in air, that makes the air pollute, and that is called air pollution. Forest fire, volcanic eruption means when the volcanoes erupt, the harmful gases released from factories, vehicles, these all pollute the air. Air pollution is not good for us, not good for our health, not good for this earth also. Air pollution not only affects our health but also depletes ozone layer. What is ozone layer? Ozone is a layer which surrounds the earth and protect us from harmful rays of sun. We can reduce air pollution by walking or cycling to school instead of traveling in cars. We should use public means of transport. We should turn off fans and light when not in use. This will help us reduce the demand of electricity. Recycling and reusing things help to minimize the production of new goods. So, if we will try, definitely we will minimize air pollution. For this, we should try to go to near places by cycle, or by using public transport. We should turn off the fans or light or any electric appliances when that is not in use. Now next, here we are having fact files, some facts which I want to share with you. Short burst of wind moving at high speed is known as gust. The fastest planetary winds blow in Saturn and Neptune. These are planets, so in Saturn and Neptune, the fastest planetary winds blows. Human beings breathe in about 20,000 liters of air every day. With rising air pollution, we are breathing in more and more dangerous chemicals. Now, here quick recap what we learned from this chapter. We learned that air is all around us. Moving air is called wind. Air has weight. Air occupies space. We need air to breathe. Wind is used to move many things. Air is needed for burning. Now here are question answer or exercise of this chapter. So here it is. Moving air is called wind. We can feel the air. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Fish breathe in air present in water. Air is needed for burning. Compressed air is used to fill tires. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. Wind helps sail ship. Air pollution depletes ozone layer. Match the following. Here column A and column B is given. So here need air to breathe. That is living thing need air to breathe. Compressed air, that is tire need compressed air. Number 3, gills. Number 1, fish breathe through gills. Runs on wind energy, that is windmill. Number 2, windmill runs on wind energy. Wind. Number 4, moving air is called wind. Depletes ozone layer, that is air pollution. Number 5, air pollution depletes ozone layer. Next, write T against the statement that are true and F against that are false. So here are the statement. Now, Earth is the only planet that has air and water. True. Air is not present inside a balloon. False. Air is made up of many gases. That is true. Motor vehicles and factories are major sources of air pollution. True. All the air is all around us, but we cannot see or touch it. True. Windmill uses wind energy to produce electricity. True. Recycling and reusing helps to reduce air pollution. True. Now tick the correct options. Moving air is called wind. We can feel the air when it blows. Fish breathe in the air present in after through gills and water. All living things need air to breathe. Air is needed for burning. We should grow more trees to reduce air. Thank you so much, kids. So today we had completed chapter 7 of our EVS textbook, that is air. So I hope you all get the proper concept of this chapter. So now, thank you so much.